Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can change your background color in Notion, so let's get right into it. First and foremost, let me explain what Notion is. Notion is a very useful tool which you can use for a wide variety of purposes, such as creating documents, creating timetables, creating calendars, to-do lists, sprint dashboards, and so on and so forth. It is very useful, and I would wholeheartedly recommend that you try it out if you already haven't. And as I've said, in this tutorial I will be showing you how to change your background color in the desktop standalone version, not the web browser version. However, it is pretty much the same. When I say background, I mean two different things. You can either change the light or dark mode, which you do by going into settings and members, going into my settings, and going into appearance, and just picking whichever one you would like. Let me just keep it at dark. That is how you change your background color for the entirety of Notion. However, if you want to change the background of your text, such as here, so that you can highlight your text and so on and so forth, what you can do is go Control Shift and H. That will highlight it. However, as you can see here, the entire row is highlighted, and you can just easily delete it like that. These 6 dots here are pretty much selecting the entire row, and then you can edit it however you'd want. However, you can also just highlight the text that you want and highlight it in this way, or by clicking Control Shift H rather, and so on and so forth. And as you can see, whenever I do that, the text background changes. I can do it manually as I've shown you previously. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.